I hit this issue today and here is the quick fix that solved it. If you're looking to switch your phone number from Virgin to Bell, follow these steps to make the process smooth. Step 1. Gather your information. Before changing your settings, use the srock.com link in the description to open the password strength checker, then update your password if needed. Step 2. Contact Bell. Reach out to Bell through their customer service or visit a Bell store. Inform them that you want to port your number from Virgin. They will guide you through the process and may ask for the information you gathered in Step 1. Step 3. Provide required information. Give the Bell representative the information you collected. They will initiate the porting process and provide you with an estimated time for completion. Make sure all details are accurate to avoid delays. Step 4. Wait for confirmation. After submitting your request, wait for a confirmation from Bell. This can take anywhere from a few hours to a couple of days. Keep your Virgin SIM card in your phone until you receive confirmation that the porting is complete. Step 5. Test your new service. Once you receive confirmation that your number has been successfully ported, test your new Bell service. Make a call or send a text to ensure everything is working properly. If you encounter issues, contact Bell support for assistance. Switching your number can feel daunting, but following these steps should help you transition smoothly. Good luck with your new service.